Kamusta? Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ang inyong presenter ngayon. Pangalan ko po, Ramon Catanhal, mula po sa Pilipinas. Binabati ko po lahat ng mga Pilipino sa buong mundo, especially po sa lahat ng mga OFWs. So we would like to present to you now YoCoin Affiliate Community Program. So paano po yan? So how to get started? Dalawang bagay po. First, purchase your prepared YoCoin product package. Second, enroll po tayo ng at least dalawang prepared customers na bibili rin po ng YoCoin product package. Well, yung pag-purchase po natin, we can use always our Visa or MasterCard, okay? We do this online, no problem. Okay, so how to buy the YoCoin package? So meron tayong 7 YoCoin package. First, we have the $50 YoCoin package, $100 YoCoin package, $500 YoCoin package, then 1,000 YoCoin package, then we have 2,000 YoCoin package, 5,000, and 10,000 YoCoin package. Of course, you can always start with the lowest, which is the $50 YoCoin package. And bahala na po kayo kung gusto nyo mag-upgrade later on or kung gusto nyo, diretso na kayong bumili ng higher package. So second thing na dapat po natin gawin is to get activated. How? Of course, you have to buy your own YoCoin package and then you just invite 2 people who will also do the same. Like, bili rin sila ng $50 YoCoin package for a start and yung isa, ganun din po. So you form your left team and you form your right team. Okay? So here's an interesting trivia. So Bill Gates said, if I would have to be given a chance to start all over again, I would choose network marketing. So he was right. Actually, it was proven recently that network marketing is the easiest way to build wealth in less time. You know what? Because it uses the power of leverage. So you leverage the effort, you leverage the talent, and you leverage the capacity for people to work under you. Okay? So, yun po kagandahan ng network marketing. Sadly, yung iba, they don't see it that way. They see it the other way. Okay? So, they see it something as a taking advantage with other people, but it's not. If you just use or if you just follow exactly the principle, you will end up with the good results. Okay? It's life-changing. Okay? Network marketing done wrongly is a nightmare. Network marketing done rightly is life-changing. So, dapat tandaan po natin yan. Now, ba't kailangan nyo sumali sa YoCoin? First, we have this YoCoin Community Affiliate Advantage. Number 1, YoCoin is publicly traded cryptocurrency. Okay? So, ano ba ibig sabihin yan? You can find our YoCoin cryptocurrency in at least 9 cryptocurrency exchanges in the market. That includes Coin Exchange, SafeSex.com, hindi yung SafeSex ha. Then you have Livecoin, CSEX, Alcurex, Bloombit, WorldCoin Index. Our coin is 100% authentic, 100% legit. Okay, dyan po sa list na yan, you can find it there. Number 38, you'll see YoCoin. Okay, if you're in doubt, just go to www.worldcoinindex.com. Okay, next, in our YoCoin program, there's no flash out, there's no auto ships, no splits. Ano po ba yung sinasabi natin flash out? Flash out is something na nag-produce ka with your right team and your left-hand team na kung saan yung effort mo will not be compensated properly because your effort will always have a limit. The company will have to pay you in a week. Okay, yan ang sinasabi natin flash out. Okay, ano naman sinasabi natin auto ship? Auto ship is something na ginagamit ng mga companies, especially MLM companies, okay, to maintain sales volume. Okay, dito po wala po tayong auto ship, so you don't have to worry kung gawin mo siya ngayon at next month tumigil ka at gawin mo ulit the following one, no problem. Pagbalik mo, okay pa rin tayo. So you don't lose any effort, you don't lose any downlines, or you don't lose any of your production. Okay, paano yan? So what happens is that all your sales will just be carried forward the next week po. Okay? No flash out. Tandaan po natin yan. No flash out, no auto ship, and no splits. Okay? So, you can use your YoCoin as well to pay your bills. Okay? Ano po yan? So, sa ngayon, nakabili na kayo ng YoCoin, naging member, naging affiliate na po kayo, just go to yobills.co and pay your bills online. So, you can do this if you reside in countries like US, UK, Canada, Vietnam, India, and most African countries, and soon, Philippines will have to include here in this list. Okay, now, again, what's more exciting is that YoCoin is powered by Ethereum. Wow! So, do you realize what this Ethereum is? Ethereum is the latest and the most sophisticated technology in blockchain. Okay? Here, you can program everything. Okay, you can issue secured contracts and all these things. Okay? So, sino ba ang into Ethereum sa panahon ngayon? Sino yung mga company na gumagamit ng Ethereum blockchain? Okay? They are not networkers. Okay? They are big companies like GE, IBM, Samsung, Microsoft, Barclays, Thomson, and the list goes on. So, everybody is going into the Ethereum blockchain. Okay? So, you have the cryptocurrency and you have the Ethereum perfect match together. Okay? Para lang yan na pineapple pie. Okay? Alright. So, let's get it on. So, how to earn seriously in YoCoin. Okay, kanina pinakita ko lang how to start, how to build, and a little bit of the concept and some reasons on why you need to get into YoCoin. Now, I would like to show you how to earn in YoCoin. First, you can earn using Fast Start Bonus. Fast Start Bonus means 10% direct commission is paid weekly as you refer customer that will purchase a YoCoin product package. So, ganun lang po kasimple yun. So, ikaw to, and you have customers, you have at least like 10 or ganito, okay? But you're not required. At least dalawa lang ipasok mo, okay na sa system yon. So, you have a customer who buys like $50, $2, $50, 500, 1,000, 10,000, 50, 1,000, 100, 500, 5,000, and 50. So, you get 10% of all this, okay? So, get 5, 250, and then 100, 1,000, 5, 100, 10, 50, 500, and pag tinotal po natin yan, 1,935 po lahat yan. So, you can do unlimited. Okay? The more the merrier. Okay? Mas marami ka kilala, mas maganda. This is like just sharing the goodness to all your friends, families, and relatives, and churchmates. No? So, share nyo lang po sa kanilang lahat. Wala pong masama doon. So, we choose this. This is our direct selling. We are selling directly our packages to people. People who realize the value ng mga cryptocurrency natin na YoCoin. Okay? Because some people see differently from the rest. Okay? Ganun lang po talaga yon. Okay? So, dapat po natin maintindihan yung mga YoCoin package po natin. So, kanina sinabi ko po, meron tayong $50 YoCoin package. So, ang ibig sabihin po niyan is bakit kailangan pa ba natin mag-upgrade? Well, pwede ka naman sa $50 YoCoin package. Kaya lang po, minsan lumalaki po yung earnings natin eh. So, kung nasa $50 YoCoin package ka, meron kang tinatawag na $500 weekly income cap. Okay? So, $500 ang maximum na pwede mong kilain for that particular week. Kasi weekly po ang kitaan po natin dito eh. So, kung nasa $100 YoCoin package po kayo, ang maximum nyo po per week is $1,000. Okay? Kung nasa 500 YoCoin package po kayo, so that's 5,000 weekly income cap. Kung 1,000 naman po kayo, that is 8,000 weekly income cap. Kung 2,000 po kayo, that is 12,000 weekly income cap. Kung 5,000 po kayo, 20,000. At kung nasa 10,000 po kayo, which is the highest package, is 35,000 weekly income cap. Ngayon ang tanong, Mon, pwede bang mag-start sa 50? Yes, mag-start ka sa 50, pero always put it in mind that the higher the package, the more na mas malaki ang weekly income cap mo. What if yung direct mo or yung sponsor mo is grabe magtrabaho? Okay? So, you don't end up na masasayang lahat ng mga effort niya. Okay? So, kung nagpapasok siya ng ganito karaming sales on the particular week, well, swerte mo kasi masalo mo lahat yun. Okay? So, that's 35,000 weekly income cap maximum. Okay? Now, meron tayong tinatawag na team commission. Alright? So, yung kanina, that is all direct commission. Now, team commission means na meron kang left team and right team. Okay? So, the same number of people na invite mo dito, na sharean mo, na bumili sila, will be rearranged by the system into left and right. So, you can decide where you want to place them. Gusto mo nila ilagay sa left, gusto mo silang ilagay sa right, it's totally up to you guys. Okay? So, let's say yung kanina yung scenario, kinamada mo sila sa left at kinamada mo sila sa right. So, in-arrange mo lang sila basically. Kasi wala ka naman mapaglalagyan other than the two front lines eh. So, lahat sila spillovers na sa ilalim din ng mga recruits mo. So, kinamada mo sila sa left. So, the left, you form a left team and you will have a sales total for them. And then, nagkaroon ka rin ng right team. Meron silang 5,700 total sales. So, yung left team mo, 12,000. So, what happens is that kukunin natin yung weaker leg mo, yung production doon. In this case, 5,700 po yan, mga kapatid. Okay? So sa 5,700 natin na weaker leg, kukunin po natin 10% dyan. Yan po ang commission nyo dito sa team commission. So ano mangyayari mo doon sa sobra? Okay? So simple lang po yan. Maki-carry forward lang po yan next week. Okay? Malinaw po ba tayo doon? Yan sinasabi ko po na wala po tayong flash out. So lahat po ng effort ninyo, magagamit pa rin po natin the following week kasi hindi naman po pare-pareho ang pasok ng negosyo, di po ba? Okay, yung third natin, yung tinatawag natin na Yo Club member. Ito yung pangatlo. Okay? So sa Yo Club member, there will be a permanent 10% on the second level. Okay? And then another 15% on the third level binary match pay. Okay? So ito po, can be earned on hundreds of YoCoin affiliates, no? Wala pong caps to, walang limit po ito. So, ang tanong lang dyan, Mon, paano mo magko-qualify dito? Simple lang, you just produce 10,000 team sales for 3 consecutive months. E paano kapag nag-produce ako ng 30,000 on the following month? O di at least qualified ka kaagad. Basta ang usapan, you produce 3 times of 10,000 team sales for 3 consecutive months. If you do it in 2 consecutive months, why not? Then you will be qualified within 2 months. If you do it within 1 week or 2 weeks, then you're qualified. So, ganun lang kasimple yun. Okay? Alright. So, paano po ba yan? So, you have all your directs na kanina, sabi natin, you are enjoying 10% from them. Okay? And then, yung mga direct mo, nagre-recruit din yan eh. Alright? Nagsishare din yan sa ibang tao. So, yung mga directs nung direct mo, they will become your second level. Okay? So, ang usapan, sa Yo Club member, pag Yo Club member ka na, magkakaroon ka ng another 10% dun sa first level ng mga directs mo. Okay? So in this case, kung ito-total natin yan, so yung mga downline and direct mo, produce sila ng $12,250 sales for that particular week. Okay? So yung first level ng mga direct mo, magre-recruit pa yun sa baba, di ba? Tama? So that will become your third level. Sa third level mo, meron kang 15%. Okay? So in this case, lahat sila yung third level mo, nag-produce 19,250. So paano na yan? So meron kang 10% do sa second level, which is 1,225. At meron kang 15% sa third level, which is 2,888. So you have a total commission of 4,113 just for becoming a Yo Club member. There's no cap dito. So irregardless kung $50 ka na na Yo Club package, walang problema. Okay? Pero sayang kasi yung team commission kung hindi mo siya i-upgrade eh. So kung wala nang mawawala, upgrade ka lang, then pwede rin naman kung nandun ka sa pinakamababa. So you just join on what you can afford. Okay, now tanong. This is a $1 million question. So what about the payout? So Mon, ang ganda ng program mo. Paano natin makukuha yung commission? Simple lang guys. So commission are paid weekly. Now, kung meron ka commission, for example, meron ka $1,000 na commission, 70% is paid to you in US dollars, it will be automatically debited in your YoCoin e-wallet. Okay? Which you can withdraw using Olipay Visa. Okay? So, paano tayo magkakaroon ng Olipay Visa? All you have to do is to go to your dashboard, okay? Fill up your profile properly, update it, and apply. You can apply dito sa Olipay po sa dashboard po natin or back office. Now, yung other 30% po, which is $300, it will be used to buy additional YoCoin. Where, nasa sa inyo na po yun. If you want to trade it or if you want to sell it to other YoCoin affiliates, diba sabi ko kanina, we can use our YoCoin to pay for our bills. So this is how you do it. This is how you monetize it. Now, ito lang po ang word of advice ko. Timing po, napaka-importante. Sa kahit anong negosyo, timing is very, very crucial. Timing is very, very critical. Okay, it can spell the difference between life and death, and the difference between opportunity and lost opportunity. So time is very important. So pag-isipan po natin, there's nothing that you will lose, only I can see a lot of possibilities that you will win po. At pagtulong-tulungan po natin to, sama-sama po tayo, trabahuin natin to, I'm sure magiging maganda po ang ating Pasko ngayong 2016. So the time is now. So advice ko lang po sa inyo again is be at the front end of the true community-driven cryptocurrency. So yung developments po na nangyayari po ngayon sa YoCoin, grabe po talaga. Kaysa sa developments ng Bitcoin 7 years ago. So our momentum is there. So all we have to do is to jump on the ship and let's all join and do YoCoin. So with all these things, I really like to thank you guys for listening to me. So, if there's any question, just feel free email us or to respond to this video. And God bless po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. Pagpalain po tayo ng lahat ng Panginoon, and it's all to our success and prosperity. Thank you very much. God bless again. Bye.